everyone, my name is Gerald Ortencio, and I'm with
Mark Luis D. Velasquez.
as known as an alien.
What? I'm not alien, bro.
Really?
Yes, I'm not.
You look like one. Okay. This creative documentary from 11 News is going to talk about the nebular hypothesis and protoplanetesimal hypothesis. Mr. Velasquez,
What?
can you make it simple for our viewers?
Okay, no problem, Mr. Ortencio. Nebular hypothesis. A theory that possesses that the solar system originated from a nebula. Protoplanet. The protoplanetesimal hypothesis explain more about what happened in the final setup of the nebular hypothesis.
Do you mean protoplanetesimal?
Yes.
Now, we are going to explain it more clearly to your viewers.
The nebular hypothesis describes the formation of our solar system from a giant, rotating cloud of gas and dust called a solar nebula. The images provided illustrate the key stages of this process. Initial nebula. The first image depicts a large, diffuse cloud of gas and dust. This nebula is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium with traces of heavier elements. Gravitational forces within the nebula cause it to begin to collapse. Rotating disk. As the nebula collapses, it begins to rotate faster, flattening into a spinning disk. The second image shows this disk formation with a denser concentration of material at the center. This central concentration will eventually become the protostar, the early stage of a star. Protostar formation. The third image shows the protostar forming at the center of the rotating disk. As more material falls into the protostar, its temperature and pressure increase, eventually leading to nuclear fusion and the birth of a star, our Sun. Planetesimal formation. The fourth image illustrates the formation of planetesimals. Within the rotating disk, dust and gas particles collide and stick together, gradually growing larger. These larger bodies, called planetesimals, are the building blocks of planets. Planetary system. The final image shows the fully formed solar system. The planets have formed from the accretion of planetesimals orbiting the central star, the Sun. The orbits are relatively flat and circular, a result of the initial rotation of the nebula. In summary, the nebular hypothesis proposes that our solar system formed from a collapsing nebula which rotated and flattened to form a disk. The Sun formed at the center, and planets formed from the remaining material in the disk. This hypothesis is supported by observations of other star-forming regions in space,